Folks, I went down to the woods today. It was real sunshiny and kind of warm, 45. And I gathered kindling, and I brought these 3 big old rocks out of the woods. I usually don't pick up the big ones down there because they're so big. But each one of these have some really neat images on them. I want you to take a look at them really quick here because I'm going to, get out of the dark for one. But I'm going to wash them and do all that. Scrub them down with soap, salt, sand, toothbrush. Clean them up. Then give them a little coating of polymer to make them, that's what I do. And we'll look at these 3 rocks. I mean, it's real obvious, the images. And some really good eyes. Real well-made eyes. They're big and they're heavy. That's a core. Well, they're all cores. Other stones can be taken from them. This is a monster. And that one pretty obviously was used as an anvil. The wear and everything on that. But that's 3 more old heavy-duty cores. These are those 3 stones. Actually 5 stones that I picked up today when I was out for kindling. But this is what I want them to look like after I've cleaned them. I want them to be I want them to be clean and clean. And I want to do it this way because this is a good example to show the cleaning process. And I want to pause whenever something cool comes. I want to show from the dirt to this table to when it's done, it's ready for display. That's what I'm saying. And I've already looked through these enough to know that there is some really good images, real plain worked out eyes. And each one of these is a core that tools can still be taken from. They all are a little bit different, but the images are incredible. And also I found one that is a small version of that one. And this is a cleaver tool. It can be held either way. Little side cutter there. Wait, I'm sorry. This is the side cutter right there. And the elephant. This is a cleaver right there. Where's the cleaver? Oh, there it is. Okay. Anyway, it's kind of like that one. I'll get back to it after I've, we'll look at it. But I just want someone to see how much work goes into cleaning these rascals. But I don't complain because the stuff that's in these is just incredible. And this is a tool held this way for puncturing something with a lot of pressure behind it. And this is the other one, and it is a core. Show you the bottom. And I saw some stuff. And whenever I clean stuff, I'll see more. But what's so impressive about these 3 pieces is the quality of the work that made the eyes for the images. It's going to be fun. So that's what this video is about. I won't make you watch me doing the whole thing, but I'll show you how I'm doing it, and we'll go from there. Folks, I just had a thought, and it's best I say it out. It's best I say it out loud on YouTube. I just had a thought. The cleaning process I'm about to show you is going to change the appearance of those stones and make them look like that. And when they look like that, I can see all the detail and stuff in them. Color comes out and all that. But if patina was ever, figured out how to test it to see how old it is, well, I'm taking off 10,000 years of patina, I guess. And I'm okay with that. But I'm saying out loud, folks, I could be doing a really dumb thing. But that's what I've done to all of these. Anyway, just a thought. Bye for now. I started cleaning rocks with Brasso. And Joanna made me stop because I was wanting to order it by the gallon. And I switched to salt, sand, soap, toothbrush, and but over half of these back here was cleaned with Brasso. And it's cold over there where I have all the salt, sand, soap, and I don't want to go. I'm going to do it this way. But I've used this method a lot, and it works real good. I'll just shut up. Oh, by the way, I was trying to find the cleaver on this rascal right here. It's because these two stones look like, big in this miniature. And I'll show it to you when I get them clean. But this one is a cleaver. Worked end. Napped is the word. Also, it's the base of that strange word I use called platter. And it shows the splitting process here. Removing the cortex, a little sanding, and then bang. But it's a handheld cleaver. Has a little bit of a rocking to it. That's a rocking cleaver. And it's going to get clean. But that one is, it's built the same way, and it's got that worked edge. But there's no way anybody could pick that up and use it. Even with two hands, I can't see how they would use it. So, we'll clean it up, give it some thought. Anyway, let me shut up. This is water. Settle my phone down. And that's Brasso. Now I'm already imagining a horse right here. I didn't see a horse before, but it just looks kind of like the side of a horse's head. That could be a leg. That could be a belly. That could be a back leg. Get back to business. Let's see. And this one, I want to uncover some of these eyes. Will you move? Okay. There. lost it. I'm pretty sure I see a bird right there. So let's clean it up. Let's come down to about there for right now. Now it's just a matter of a lot of times just buffing it real good. Buffing it until the brass is almost dry. And you'll notice the brass is getting dirtier and dirtier. And there is a strong ammonia smell here. Okay. Now that's what I'm doing on these 3 pieces. And I'm going to set the phone down because I need both hands to do it. And I'll be back in a minute. I've been giving these a real good scrub. I will, I'll wait about, 15 more minutes. And then give them one more scrub. And then I will clean these off and show you what happened. Oh wow, it's warm over here. That's that rock. But now I know a lot of you folks have good places to pick up things like this and like these, because I see you doing it. I subscribe to 38 folks, and I watch you. And there's a bunch of you that has awesome places to pick up some really cool rocks. But some of you don't. I mean, so send me an address. I'll send you a rock. And maybe I got a ton of them. And you can clean it up. Put it on YouTube. And do all the work. I'd be glad to. I need to start giving some of this stuff away. Because the pottery shop is almost done. I want to make this particular video, and it's not done. I'll have to finish it next week and show you some really awesome stuff. But I want it to be one of the best videos I've ever made. But our pottery shop, I want it to be a really, really good finale. And show some really... Anyway, because our pottery shop's almost done. Almost. We are not quite ready for students. But we will be in a week or two. We got a couple things others is coming. And this is our pottery shop completely remodeled. And it's almost ready to start booking students. We have some waiting. And we are going to teach folks how to repair pottery. You know, this is all just rocks. It's ground up, heated up, painted up. It's just rocks. But I'm really looking forward to trying to teach anybody that wants to watch how to repair pottery, because it's something I know real well. And I usually don't. Well, I know it real well. I can say it stuff. And we work on all kinds of stuff: yellowware, Staffordshire, Roseville, Hull, art, any kind of artware. We especially like the Staffordshire creamware and mochaware, yellowware, and we work on stoneware too, but usually that's kind of big to mess with, but we can do it. We can work on any kind of pottery. We've repaired over 5,000 pieces. We have photos of every one of them, before and after, and 160,000 photos of in process on all these different kinds of artware. And it's going to be what I got to do. I mean, I want to do. But I hope occasionally to drop into y'all's rock world once in a while. But I'm not done with this video. I'll have to finish it up next week, because I really want to try to, I don't know what I'm trying to do. Maybe I'm just trying to impress. No, I'm not. Folks, I just want to do my part and putting it out there that the carvings and images and tools on the ancient stones is a whole new world that we're all right at the door, knocking on the door. And we don't need anybody's approval. We just need to keep our facts together. And because all of these videos that we've made over the last years, I've seen videos that are 12 years old of people talking about the stuff they were seeing in rocks. It will all be reviewed one of these days, folks. And the world of rock art is going to change archaeology. And I'm going to do my little part. Bye for now. Folks, I will get together that other video within a week or two and move forward. And folks, whenever the brasso seems to be getting a little dry, just add a little water and keep on scrubbing. Just use it and keep on scrubbing. This is a stone that I could easily dedicate an all day to really get it as clean as I want it. And I probably will. But I'm seeing color and stuff. But anyway, just add a little water and just keep on scrubbing. Now I gotta push this big rascal over and do this side again. Folks, I'm seeing some strange stuff as the I went over the brasso with water and thinned it down pretty good. It's almost like washed it off away. Anyway, but I got to take it to the sink or someplace. But as it's drying, it's drying like this, and the low spots is still a little bit wet. It's almost like images are shown up by that. I'm going to do something like that to this side and see what happens. Now let me get a Diet Coke, and I'll come back to this if it dries up a bit. Now, folks, when I get these washed off and a light coat of polymer, then I can, well, I'm not sure what I'm seeing, folks, but I feel like I've got it upside down. And it would set on that flat spot too. I wish I could say I'm seeing something definite. I just see a whole bunch of stuff that just... Maybe I'm too close. I don't know. Let me change the light a bit. I don't know. Let me get all that stuff washed off from him and get them ready for display. Now that's turned upside down, or I mean turned over. Folks, this one wasn't a total fuddy-duddy, but it had an elephant. It has an elephant right here, and it has some other stuff on it. That's the eye that I cleaned first. Well, I mean, it's not totally you know, it's just that this one's so incredible. Let me change the light on this for a minute. And I said upside down a minute ago, but there is no upside down on this stuff. Folks, I'm wasting your time. Let me go wash this off. I washed that one off real good. I mean, but this is, let me go wash this off and do that. I feel like I got it upside down now. Folks, I gotta say this, probably don't make any sense, but music will, when I'm looking at rocks, sometimes it,